For the first time in the rag company history, our three marketing mainstays face off in a tactical budget battle.
Being a professional of over 25 years, I'm able to enjoy having someone watch.
Yes, I literally killed the car. The car would not start up at all, and the seller is looking at me like I'm a crazy person, and this is a problem, right? I need to figure this out.
My strategy on it was I was going to do as little work as possible, but achieve maximum results. I know cars. I know enough to be dangerous, but not enough to get out of myself in every situation.
They'll be given $3,000 and a set of rules. But new challenges being thrown into the game will drive them to the brink of madness.
F***ing homie hookups.
I kind of screwed up a little bit.
Can you at least dry it off? I don't want to have more hard water.
I don't blame him. He's getting a premium wash from Mr. Wash Wednesday himself, so I get it.
All right, hey guys. Me again.
All right, got these bad boys outside.
It's the Rag Company's Heap Car Challenge, premiering Sunday, August 8th.